How to add video on Instagram Notes. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add video on Instagram Notes. To do so, ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram application installed on your device. You may check it via Google Play Store or any other app store. Now once you have done that, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this page, at the top right, you will be able to locate the messenger icon. Simply tap on it in order to go to the direct message section. Now once you reach to this page, at the top of your direct message inbox, you will see the notes section. Here you will need to simply tap on your profile picture on the left side to create a note. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Now in this note creation screen, you will need to tap on the camera icon located in the lower right corner of your profile picture. Simply tap on it and now you will need to press or tap on this record button to capture a short video up to 2 seconds. Simply tap on it and after that preview your video. If you'd like to continue, you may simply tap on the tick mark at the bottom, and if you'd like to retake it, you may simply tap on the dustbin icon. And then you will need to retake the video. Once you are satisfied with it, simply tap on the tick mark to save your video. Now here you may also add the text along with the video. After that, if you would like to add the music, you may also tap on the music icon at the bottom of the video and then add a preferred music. Now after this, you can tap on the share option at the bottom right corner of your screen to share it to the mutual followers or the close friends for 24 hours. Once you tap on it, you will see you have successfully added video on your Instagram note. Now it will be visible to your mutual followers. So this is how you can add video on Instagram notes. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.